you want to see what's in this book and want to view it, please see this video till the last and subscribe this YouTube channel. But there is suspense, okay? Guys, you like my collection? But it's not less because I have the world's best Pokemon Super Deluxe Essential Handbook. And it's awesome. But before we unbox this, please like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel and comment below. Okay, let's unbox it. It's going to be awesome. Can you just see the front page? It has a shiny appearance. So shiny. I just can't believe it. And the back side has some Pokemons and the rules. You can see on the front page there are all starter Pokemons of all the regions of Pokemon, including Pikachu over here. Okay. Let's see what's inside this book. The first page is a welcoming ceremony for the world of Pokemon. The second page has all the things you need to know on how to use this book, like the name, the category, the type, the description, how to pronounce it, height and weight, possible moves, and evolution. If you're curious about what Pokemon types you will spot on your journey, find out more about all 18 types of on the next page. See, you can see there are 18 types of Pokemon. Okay, let's start. Oh, Buzzwole Ultra Beast. It's in alphabetical order. That's why from A to Z. We have Abomasnow, Absol, Aerodactyl, Aggron, and all that. The Pokemon which I wanted to see the most is this Arceus, the mythical Pokemon, and its moves. It is found in Sinnoh region. The second Pokemon that I wanted to see the most in this book is just coming, and it's nothing other than Blacephalon, an Ultra Beast, Fire and Ghost type. It's looking weird, but I think it's a very strong opponent. You can see Blaziken, Bufflint, and all those. There are more than how many Pokemons? 800 characters. That's why it's going to take a long time. Chimcha and many more. I'm getting tired of this as you can see Diancie and Mega Diancie, the jewel Pokemon. Dialga, Diggersby, Ditto, Dragonite, Dragonair, Dratini, Drapion, Rousey, Ductria, and all that. Then E. From E we have Excadrill, Execute, and all those. Then F for Alligator, Flappy, Flygon. From G we have Glalie, Mega Glalie, starting the page, and many more. Now we will go to Houndoom. Mega Houndoom. It's cool, the coolest Pokemon ever. We are going to K, Primal Kyogre and Kyogre. We have Metacross and Mega Metacross over here. We have Palkia from P and many more. But the Pokemons I want you to see the most are from Z, the forms of Zygarde. It's on the last page. See guys, you haven't noticed about this biggest legendary Pokemon Zygarde, then you can't be a Pokemon fan. And see, the 10% Zygarde form, the 50% Zygarde form over here, and the complete 100% Zygote form over here. Okay, if you like this book, you can buy it from Amazon or any bookshop over here. I got this book for £10. Okay, and £10 or $14. But in the Indian currency, it's like rupees 1000 or something I got it on. Okay, this book is awesome. But if you want to see more about it, please comment in the comment section below. Okay, if you liked it, please subscribe this channel and comment below.